people do not know what they are doing or investing in. I would recommend keeping your crypto off exchanges and get it onto a cold wallet. And the most important, I would say, leverage trading. So try to avoid that.
Hey guys, it's All Time High, and today we're going to talk about why actually people lose money in crypto.
Yo guys, what's up? Pleasure being here. I'm Pedro. I'm leading business development activities for an incubation and marketing agency called APR Marketing. I've started in crypto. Actually, the first time I've heard about crypto was like 2016, 17. But obviously, like a bunch of people, I was not that much into the subject by then. And when I really started to get interest was in the summer of DeFi, 2020. I had a traditional job first, and from there on, I basically migrated to crypto. So I quitted my traditional job, and I went full-time crypto. Currently, leading business development activities for this incubator. And yep, excited to be here. Thank you all you guys for being here.
Yeah, thank you, Pedro. Did you ever lose money on crypto, and how was it?
For sure, I guess all of us that are in the industry did. I would say that's actually important to lose money within the industry, because we kind of gather more respect about it, and we got to be humble sometimes. So I was never robbed or scammed or rug pulled or something, but I did some bad investments. So yep, I think it's actually part of the process.
And why actually people lose money in crypto?
I would say the main reasons are the lack of understanding. So people do not know what they are doing or investing in. FOMO as well, the fear of missing out. Basically, I myself suffered from this. So you just want some gains, or the greed gets onto you, and then you just want to FOMO in every asset you see. Following social media gurus that say this gem is going to 10x, 20x in the next 10 days without doing any kind of research or without having any kind of knowledge to back that up. And the most important, I would say, leverage trading. So try to avoid that as well, because people can be liquidated pretty fast.
Yeah. And can you give a couple of more advices? How can you just keep your crypto safe?
I would say get to know the usual attacks that are in the industry. Also, being safe in every websites you have, having multiple MetaMask wallets. Or having a MetaMask to burn, let's say, that you can connect everywhere just to be safe. Also, I would say, or I would recommend keeping your crypto off exchanges and get it onto a cold wallet or a decentralized place at least. And also keeping seed phrases offline somehow, not keeping them into paper, and obviously not going after all the scams or the pumps that you usually see.
Yeah, by the way, did you ever take part in airdrops? Because as far as I know, it's quite dangerous, can be quite dangerous.
I've been in some airdrops, actually. The majority of them were for projects that were like on seed or private sale stages, some contests, all that kind of stuff. I never had issues, but I was actually working with a project that they built like a complete similar website from the project that we were working with, and basically robbed a bunch of money from people. So yeah, you gotta stay safe on those as well.
Yeah, for sure. You mentioned about FOMO. What's that, and why is it dangerous?
So basically the fear of missing out, I would say. One of the things that makes new guys or the guys that are not that much into the market to lose more money, because they just want fast gains. On the other side, so traditional guys go to stocks, for example, they are willing to wait 1, 2 years, 10 years, whatever. In crypto, guys just want money fast. So they just FOMO in every asset, or when they see a huge green candle and their top YouTubers saying, come on, go there, buy this, buy that. Nevertheless, markets go up and down. So it's a matter of patience, and more opportunities will come. So I would say to avoid these at all costs, because opportunities are here. We're clearly new to this industry, all of us, and the industry is like 10 years old or so. So more opportunities would come. And to avoid it, to avoid this greed or FOMO, obviously the best way I would say to take some time off the charts and social media. Just wait for a better entry, and more as I said, more opportunities will appear.
Yeah, I think like right now, a lot of people are affected by FOMO because of the market condition.
100%. And I think this is my honest opinion, not financial advice, that this is like some sort of a trap, and eventually we will see lower lows. But let's see how it goes. No one can predict that. So, yep, let's see how it goes.
Yeah. What's about emotions? I mean, how do they affect the income, like your potential income, your decision, and how can you manage with them?
Myself, I'm not a day trader. Like I invest now, I'm not invested that much, to be honest. I'm keeping the majority of the amount in stables. So I'm more of an investor, I would say. But definitely managing emotions is one of the hardest parts in this market. It's also fast that you can be completely overwhelmed and you can double your money in minutes or lose it all in like seconds, minutes, whatever. So yep, we should be, or the guys that are trying to develop some sort of trading career or something should be emotionally strong and try to develop that skill, which is not an easy one, like for sure. I've lost some money with rage trading, so kind of know what that is. I was aping into some projects, doing some good money, but then the greed kicks in and you just or lose it or don't keep your profits. So yeah, I gotta be careful with that.
Which emotion, in your opinion, is the most dangerous for traders or for investors?
I would say greed, because when you see some cool green profits, you should lock them in instead of, okay, I want more. Okay, now I got this, I want to get a bit more. Yeah, just lock them, keep them safe, and when a good opportunity comes next, go forward.